There's some buzz about this study in the UK and the COVID-19 vaccine being done by AstraZeneca and Oxford University being put on hold due to what's being called, quote, a potentially unexplained illness in the United Kingdom. What do you make of that?
Yeah, so there's a single person in the trial that had a syndrome called transverse myelitis, which is inflammation of the spinal cord leading to a neurologic injury. It's still a rare complication. Every clinical trial has these fail safes and these breaks to say if there's these serious events, number one, stop. Number two is to actually examine that event carefully to see A, how serious it was, B, what is the link to the vaccine or the product being given, and Z, is this something that could be expected with other people getting the vaccine, and in what quantity, and then after getting all of that, either putting the trial on hold or continuing along with it. It's important. I mean, I think we've heard a lot of press in the United States and in Russia about skipping phase 3 vaccine trials, that we should humanely give vaccines out to everyone and not go through the bureaucracy of clinical trials. But this is a big learning lesson. This is, one of these things where phase 3 trials are incredibly important for us to make sure that these side effects don't happen. And if they do, we quantify them, we're able to identify them, and we're able to make that risk judgment of whether or not these vaccines are worth it, or the side effect profile is one where we might have to go to another vaccine target rather than this one.
Really appreciate your insights and expertise, Dr. Chagla. Thank you for this today.